Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a braided wig, and first of all I have to attach my 5x5 ventilated frontal onto the wig cap. Then I have to sew it in. I actually ventilated this 5x5 closure, but I did it off camera because I don't want to bore you with a very long video. So I have to go ahead to sew in my closure onto the wig cap. So I have to do it round and round. When I was done sewing it in, then I have to tie it and cut off the excess rope.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't.
I used an expression rich braid to achieve this look. I have to first of all cut the attachment into two, then I have to pick so it can give me the desired style and shape that I need. Then I have to go ahead to bring out a little, then I have to crochet it onto the wig cap. Then the next thing I have to do was to start my braiding, just as you see me do, guys. Keep watching.
I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So here I have to cut off the wig cap under the closure so that I can have a clearer view of what I'm doing, and the braid, as you can see, is looking quite better. So I have to go in with my gel so that the hair and the flies can be put together. Then guys, I have to go ahead to braid before I start feeding in with the attachment step by step, as you see me do. So guys, keep watching.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say?
When I was done braiding, I have to ventilate in the baby hair to make the hair look more classy. And guys, when I was done ventilating the baby hair, then I have to dip the hair in a hot water off camera. So guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, I want you to give me a thumbs up, share our video, guys. So when I was done with this stage, the next thing I did was to wear the wig cap on my head. Then the next stage was for me to cut off the excess lace. When I was done cutting off the excess lace, I have to go ahead, I have to use my powder, the shade of my color, to tint the net so that the color can blend with my skin. So when I was done doing that, the next thing I did was to trim the excess baby hair. Then I have to lay my hair, and guys, voila, the hair was ready. And guys, please do give me a thumbs up, share this video, encourage me, drop your comments. I would really love to see your comments and your likes and share. So guys, this is basically how I made this beautiful hair. And tell me guys, this hair is giving 100 over 100 and I am loving it so much. So guys, that will be all for now. Do enjoy the rest of this video, and always remember that I love you. Have a lovely evening. Bye.
Fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.